What's going on YouTube? Today we're looking at the Liene PixCut S1, the world's first photo printer and sticker cutter. Let's go! Now if you want to see the full unboxing video and a different style of review that focuses more on the photos side of the Liene PixCut S1, I'll link this down in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Now the setup is super easy. Download the Liene app, plug it in, open the back and install the sticker tray, install the ink cartridge, turn it on, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. Now, if you want to switch up the papers from the 46-inch to the 47-inch, all you have to do is open up the tray, put in the 46-inch like so, close it, and put it back in the hole, and you're good to go. But what's really exciting is that the app's model just got a massive update, for there are tons of new anime themed templates, gaming icons, and customizable designs just waiting for you. Now let's test this out with something every anime fan can appreciate: a custom Naruto sticker. Now, thanks to the 300 dpi thermal sublimation printing, the colors pop like crazy. And that new premium photo paper update makes the prints even sharper and more durable. Now, the cutting part is where the Pix Cut flexes its AI muscles. The AI image recognition locks onto your design's edges and automatically cuts around it with laser precision. No fiddling with settings, just one click and it's done. Now for the fun part. I can slap this in any gadgets that I have and it sticks really well. Now let's go ahead and throw it on our gaming setup. Let's go! And why not stop there? You can customize your laptop, water bottle, and even your car. Full anime takeover mode unlocked. Alright, let's push this machine to its limit. We're going to create a full custom anime themed MacBook using the Pix Cut S1. Now in under an hour, the entire setup just went from plain to straight up one punch paradise. These stickers aren't just pretty, they're built to last. Thanks for the 4-layer thermal sublimation printing, they are waterproof, scratch resistant, and fade proof. Now let's stress test one of them. As you can see, it looks clean. This means you can throw these stickers on your water bottle, your laptop, or car, and they won't crack under pressure. Now, if you have an iPhone, you get a bonus feature as well. You can print and cut a custom phone back films that fit your phone perfectly. And as you could see, it's like a pro level phone skin. And you made it yourself, fully customized for yourself. Now, for those who are wondering how I'm able to do all this, And basically the app does everything for you. All you gotta do is hit the plus button right here. If you wanna print a classic photo, you just click that, you select whatever photo you need. Usually we use the sticker paper. You can have a print cut for a canvas or the phone protector filmmaking right here that we showed you earlier. Basically, you just look for your phone. It even has Samsung right there and you're good to go. Another template that most people would use is the decorative stickers. So with the decorative stickers, you can pick one of these right here. This is fully loaded. All you need to do is hit that. It'll cut it for you. Now, if you want to start from the beginning and you want to use your own photos, you can do that as well. So for example, we can upload some stuff right here. And we're just gonna add in some decals, as you could see here. Now this decal is not a PNG photo because it has the outside white background. All you gotta hit is this guy right here, AI remove background, and it'll do it automatically for you. Super easy. Hit next and you're good to go. You can resize it to whatever you want, and that's it. Again, we're gonna do one more here so you guys can see. AI remove background right there, and there you go. You add it here, size it up, and then once you're ready to print, you just hit print right there. Here you can customize how much border you want on your print, and then once you hit cut, you're good to go. Now, of course, the Liene PixCut S1 is also a photo printer. It is great to use for photo booths, or if you want to bring out some memories from the past and print out some family photos that we're doing right now. It is the best for that. I love the vibrancy and the accuracy of the photos, and it helps you remember it more because it's not just on your phone, you can also have it printed. Now let's break it down real quick. It is an all-in-one printer that can print and cut in seconds, has a new anime templates and design library, insane 300 dpi print quality, precise AI cutting as well, durable and waterproof stickers, has an easy Bluetooth app setup, and a custom phone skins for iOS users. Overall, it's an absolute win for anime fans, gamers, and creators. So if you're ready to level up your space with custom anime stickers, gaming decals, or pro-level phone skins, grab the Liene PixCut S1 now. Everything will be linked down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well, and ask me in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!